everyone. Today I am going to be cooking shells. No, my sister is going to be cooking shells. We cooking pasta shells. We cooking pasta shell by Roma. Roma pasta. Sister is cutting the onion. Okay, so we are going to, oh god, we are putting water in the pot first. Turn on the pot and let it boil. And fill it about halfway or slightly less than half. We are slicing the onions. Have the onions sliced. So we enter the onion into the pot with oil. Now we are about to enter the pasta. Which is about to come sometime later. We are putting some garlic powder. We are letting the pasta boil, and then we are going to put in the cheese. So place the pasta into one of these drain things, and place this milk into this evaporated milk into the pot. And my sister is stirring it. So we place butter in it, and now we are placing the mac and cheese. Yeah. So now the mac and cheese have been placed into the pot, and so now we are entering cheese in. I'm putting a little bit more cheese, and yeah. My sister just trying to get cheese in there and putting the rest of the thing that wasn't even in that bowl, and a little bit of milk. So now we're stirring all the ingredients together. So yes, this is how we cook our mac and cheese here in Barbados. This is not how everybody in Barbados is cooking. Only us. Only us.
Oh, there's turtle.
Oh gosh. Anyway, so I guess
It tastes great.
well, I guess my sister says it tastes great, but that's not sarcastic if she says so. But anyway, so now we're just putting stuff to make it look cheesy. I don't like too much spice, so I don't know what my sister here trying to do, but yeah.
You can put in parsley.
So here is the mac and cheese. Looks very spicy, but I don't know. It's being stirred right now.
It's just very cheesy.
Now when it starts to dissolve. When it starts to dissolve, maybe it will look a little bit better. When it dissolves and finished and consumed and everything. Okay, so it's time for the taste test, and I'm going to be tasting. Oh my gosh, we're tasting the pasta. Yes, it tastes good. I like it. So now we are serving the mac and cheese. Here is the result. Delicious, tasty mac and cheese. And now this is going to be tasting it again, and it's great. It's amazing. Thumbs up. Yeah, I think.